Hi everyone, this is Mr. Siu from Math Accelerator. Welcome to lesson 4. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I solve a P5 problem sum using the number times quantity strategy. The number times quantity strategy is designed to help students organize two different sets of data, the count of the item and the value of each item into a single solvable table. Here's how the strategy works. First, we have the category column where we list out the two different groups. In this case, it will be the boys and girls. The next column will be the number or the units for the groups, right? Example, we have 1 unit of boys and 3 units of girls. The third column will show you the quantity. In this case, the number of balloons given to each boy and each girl. The last column is the total value, where we multiply the number or the units with the quantity of the balloons. Example, 1 times 2 will give you a total value of 2 units, and 3 times 3, that will give you the total of 9 units. Now, I'm going to show you how I use the number times quantity strategy to solve the following question. First, let me read the question to you. There were some boys and girls at a party. Each boy was given 2 balloons and each girl was given 3 balloons. There were 3 times as many girls as boys. In total, the girls received 161 more balloons than the boys. How many children were there at the party? After reading, let's underline some of the keywords. Each boy is given 2 balloons and each girl is given 3 balloons. So these are the quantity, right? So this and this, they are the quantity. There were 3 times as many girls as boys. So this row tells us the number of boys and girls in the problem. And in total, the girls received 161 more balloons than the boys. So this row tells us the difference in the quantity of balloons, right? Let's write down the word difference. And we need to find how many children were there at the party. So now we're going to construct our table. Okay, we will have the number and the quantity. And over here, we will have the total. Here we have the boys and the girls. So all we have to do is, based on what we have underlined and highlighted, put the information into this table. Okay, let me organize this table further to make it easier for you to see. Right. So the number, as we know, is from this row. There were 3 times as many girls as boys. That means the number of boys must be 1 unit and the number of girls must be 3 units. Quantity is the number of balloons distributed to the boys and girls. And we know that each boy gets 2 balloons. So we put 2 over here. And each girls get 3 balloons. So we put 3 over here. To find the total value, we need to do multiplication. So 1 unit times 2, that will give you 2 units. 3 units times 3, that will give you 9 units. So now the table is complete. We have a full set of information. We go to this statement here. Okay, this statement tells us that the girls receive 161 more balloons than the boys, which is the difference between these two values, right? The 2 units for the boys and the 9 units for the girls. So we do a subtraction. So 9 units minus 2 units, and that will give us 7 units. So we know that 7 units is equals to 161. So in order to find the value of 1 unit, we will take 161, divide by 7, and we will arrive at 23. So now that we find the value of 1 unit, let's go back to the question. We're looking for how many children were there at the party. Okay, so we have to look at this column for the number of units, right? The boys is 1 unit, the girls is 3 units. So in total, 1 unit plus 3 units, that will give us 4 units. So looking for 4 units. Since we know that 1 unit is 23, so we simply take 4 times 23, and we will arrive at 92. So the answer for this question is 92. Is your child finding math challenging, especially when it comes to model drawing? If you want them to master proven techniques for solving problem sums with confidence and precision as shown earlier, we're here to help. Drop us a message in the comments or simply click on the button to get started. Do like and share this video to help us reach more parents and students who may benefit from this content. See you in the next video.